Welcome to this PowerShell Basics tutorial. Today, we're going to explore what PowerShell is and why it has become the go-to tool for Windows automation. PowerShell represents a major leap forward in how we interact with and automate Windows systems. PowerShell is a task automation framework and scripting language built on .NET that helps you automate Windows administration tasks. Think of it as a powerful command line tool that goes far beyond what traditional command prompts can do. It combines the flexibility of a programming language with the simplicity of command line operations. To understand PowerShell's importance, let's look at the evolution from command prompt to PowerShell. Command prompt was the old way of interacting with Windows through simple text commands. PowerShell, on the other hand, introduced object-based automation, which gives you much more control and flexibility over your system. PowerShell replaced command prompt for several key reasons. First, it works with objects instead of just plain text, making data manipulation much easier. Second, it's built on the .NET framework, giving you access to powerful programming capabilities. Third, it provides powerful scripting capabilities that let you automate complex tasks. And finally, it uses a consistent command structure that makes it easier to learn and remember commands. Here's the key difference between PowerShell and command prompt. PowerShell returns objects with properties that you can work with directly. For example, getProcess returns process objects that you can filter and manipulate using commands like selectObject. Command prompt, on the other hand, just returns plain text with the task list command, which is much harder to work with programmatically. PowerShell offers incredible automation capabilities across multiple areas. You can perform system management tasks like controlling services, processes, and registry settings. It excels at file operations, allowing you to manage files and folders at scale. PowerShell enables remote administration, letting you control multiple computers from a single location. And it integrates seamlessly with cloud platforms, making it perfect for automating Azure and Microsoft 365 tasks. One of PowerShell's greatest strengths is its consistent command structure. All PowerShell commands follow a verb-noun pattern, making them intuitive and easy to remember. For example, getProcess retrieves process information, stopService stops a service, and newItem creates a new item. Once you understand this pattern, learning new commands becomes much easier. Let's recap the key points. PowerShell is a modern automation framework built on .NET that gives you powerful tools for managing Windows systems. It replaced command prompt by introducing object-based commands and a consistent structure that makes automation easier. And it's perfect for automating not just Windows, but also Azure and Microsoft 365 environments. In the next video, we'll dive into installing and setting up PowerShell on your system.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.